Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho. Okay, we're back. I know it's pretty quick, but something came in and you have to see it. Scent of the day though. It's Fendi, by the way, and I promise you guys, okay, it's hard for me to promise this, but I need to. I can't, we're done. Fendi, I'm done with you. I love you, but you're breaking me, okay? You are breaking me up, girl. I can't. So anyway, this is hopefully my last Fendi unboxing of 2022. Famous last words. She said it so many times, but I mean it this time, guys. It's okay. Scent of the day, though. First, let's take a trip. Take this one, Gucci Bloom. No, this one isn't Gucci Bloom. I want to call this Gucci Bloom every time. Gucci Flora, which was a gift from my friend Yota. I bought her some. She bought me some. It was so cute. This is the gorgeous gardenia, and it's gardenia, it's floral, it's sweet, it's got, hello, a little hint of pear in there. Let me spray a little more because you all know when my scent goes on, I need just a tad. Come on now. Girl, yes. All right, so anyway, this is amazing. It dries down into something a little musky and a little powdery for me too, so I love that. I just think this is a good scent, and you can get it at Ulta for like $100 or $80 or whatever. Yes, and I have heard they're coming out with one in a green bottle. Is it, I don't know, is it jasmine? I don't know. If this one's gardenia, they've got one coming out that's in the green, and y'all know I'm about to get that as soon as I can. Has it dropped? Oh, girl, we got to find this. But anyway, I do want that. Okay, so bag of the day. Not real hard to figure out that it's this one. It's this. It's my Fendi orange. You know, another thing that I think, when I told Bill, I really did tell the old man about this one. Like, I was like, you know, I had that credit. I did have to spend some of my purse money, and you know, that's just what it is. And he was like, you know, you've been wanting that. So he was actually on board with this. And I think part of the reason, and somebody did say this in the comments the other day, a fellow Tennessean, hello girl, you know, she was like, yeah, it's giving off the UT vibes because, you know, it has the white handles and then the orange. Yeah. And then, a few people have said, you know, how the different colors of orange, it's like got an ombre, it's like different here, and it sort of goes from a beautiful orange and then to another, like a yellowy. It's just really, really, really cool. So yeah, I think that might be part of the reason he was on board with this one, because it's the UT orange and white color. So, and that's University of Tennessee, don't get it twisted, not Texas. We don't hook them horns around here, Matthew McConaughey. No, all right. No, not all right. But anyhow, all right, guys, I do have an unboxing. It is from Fendi, and she's got to be done, guys. She's got to be done. Just a quick one today. I'm not gonna linger. She says that, and 25 minutes later, she's going on and on about something stupid. Oh, I'll still do that. But check it. So they come nicely packaged, and the purple, by the way, they didn't give me a bag on that one, which is fine. I have a couple now. I have 3 or 4 bags actually. So I've got the earrings. Remember, they came with a little bag. So this is a very tiny thing, but they sent me this big bag, which I thought was good because I didn't get one with my bag. So any guesses? I know, I basically already told you all. Oh, how cute this. Ta-da! I'm not gonna beat around the bush on this one, although if you want to beat around my bush, go girl, go! Oh my God, is she nasty. The older I get, the more nasty I become. I won't apologize for it because that's who she is. That's who I am. But check this little out. What is this called? The different, I would love to have a bag in this. Eva Fuchsia Floyd has one. Autumn unboxed a tote in this. I don't know if they're currently, are they currently doing bags in this? And Autumn told me what it was called, like Spumandi or something like that. Oh, sorry, I don't know. But I love these. I just think this is gorgeous. I love. And because I have the orange bag, girl, this was just an excuse for me to, I need something to cover up my bag. Oh, the horror of me tying a $2 twilly on there. So I was like, I think they call theirs bandeaus, right? But so, okay, this situation is a little untenable. Oh, she used a big word. I hope I used it correctly because so many times I don't. But how cute is the orange on there? Okay, girl, let's do it. I'm sorry, Amazon cheap, look-alike twilly bandeau. You gotta go. Isn't that just like me, just to throw something over for something better and something more expensive? I'm bougie like that. Y'all know me. Okay, let me tie her on. Ooh, that's what she said. Okay, that didn't even apply. It's a little bit of a different orange, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay. I wish you guys could see me tying this because I'm a pro at it. I have seen videos and I've watched videos and I've sought these videos out, so they have a place. Tying a twilly around your handles and stuff. I love those videos. Don't ever stop. People like me who are bow challenged, So now look. What? So yes, got a little bit of the orange hanging out here. It is a perfect orange for this. This works out so much better. She's got Fendi on Fendi. Oh, snap. I am so damn excited. Isn't it crazy how this little piece of fabric can make me so happy, but is way overpriced? And I was just like, yeah, write the check. Here we go. I want it. I need it. She's losing it. But you all already knew that. Okay, so that's just it today. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Please don't forget, I don't know if it's going to be Wednesday now or Thursday, but sometime this week, Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to upload a new video. It's a brand new Tiny Coach Rogue. Okay, I'll just tell you guys, but don't spread that around. A new Coach bag. And I just saw the estimated delivery is Wednesday, so hopefully if it comes tomorrow or early enough on Wednesday, we'll upload for that. If not Thursday, but this week, definitely. WeiWei came through. If you guys need a Coach SA, if you're looking for something from Coach, down in my box, get in it. Seriously, in my box I do have her information, as well as her number and how to get in touch with her through Facebook Messenger. Also, Becca, don't forget LV if you need an essay from LV, especially perfumes, because she is the scent lady for LV. Anyway, all right, and remember, guys, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, I am addicted to so many things, but Bill is mad, girl. I bought more Kevin Murphy hair accoutrement, okay? I can't. I cannot stop. So, to be fair, I was out of my other Kevin Murphy hairspray, so I started looking around and I found this one and oh God, yes. Yes, Bill, it is expensive. Yes, so he saw this one come in and he said, is that more of that $100 hairspray? I was like, well, it's not $100. He's like, seriously, potato. I was like, well, you know, it's expensive, yeah. He's like, don't you have enough? He goes, I swear to God, if you order more of that Kevin Murphy crap in here, I'm leaving. And I was like, I will miss you too, but go, bye. Because I have to tell you guys, I might beg him to stay if he said that about my luxury items. Okay, yeah, I get it. Those are not necessities. But this stuff is nectar of the gods, okay? I can't, no, I can't. I just went all, you know, oh brother, where art thou on him.
I don't want this pomade. I want Dapper Dan. I'm a Dapper Dan man. Right?
Hello? Like, I can't live if living is without you, Kevin Murphy. You have made my hair life complete. Well, y'all remember what my hair looked like. I mean, I'm gonna put it, when I first started this channel, those of you who have just joined me don't realize, okay, she was phoning it in most of her life. But I found him, and now my hair life is complete. Thank you, Dale. Dale gets it, right? I'm like, don't let the door hit you with a good Lord split you, biatch, bye. We're not. Not today, devil. We're not giving up. I'll give up the luxury. Some of it. But not my hair stuff, no. No. Bill, you better fear this pixie, biatch.